Good morning, students. Today we have to learn next chapter triangle, and triangle means three side closed figure. But in this chapter we have to learn about congruency of a triangle. Now, what is a congruent? Congruent means two object is said to be a congruent if and only if they have a same shape and a same size. Suppose two triangle ABC and PQR is said to be a congruent if and only if EB equals to PQ and BC equals to QR and AC equals to PR ये होता है. एंड एंगल ए यानी एंगल BEC इक्वल्स टू एंगल QPR. एंगल ABC इक्वल्स टू एंगल PQR and angle ACB equals to angle PRQ. Okay, so these triangle are congruent and their corresponding side AB के corresponding PQ, corresponding side AC के corresponding PR because they are equal, and BC equals to QR. It is a very important corresponding side and the corresponding angle. Okay, suppose AB equals to 5, then PQ is also a 5 because these are a corresponding side. BC equals to suppose 7, then QR is also 7. AC equals to 8, so PR equals to 8. Now triangle ABC congruent, this is the sign of congruent, equals to PQR. देखो sequence is also important. If we change a sequence then it is wrong. Suppose triangle ABC congruent to triangle PRQ, this is wrong because we know that A is congruent to P and B is congruent to Q, C is congruent to R. अब देखो अगर हम ये लाते हैं ये वाली कंडीशन, so A is congruent to P, okay, and B is congruent to R but B is congruent to Q, then this is wrong. ठीक है, हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि ABC is congruent to PQR, हमने ये बोल लिया सपोज, एंड हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि AB equals to PR. No, this is not a corresponding side. Okay, so only corresponding side are equal if the two triangle are congruent, then their corresponding side are equal and their corresponding angle is also equal. Okay, corresponding is very important here. Now there are some condition for a congruency of a triangle. First condition, side. In that condition, if there are a two triangle ABC and a PQR, then ABC and PQR suppose such that AB equals to PQ, okay, BC equals to QR and AC equals to PR. AB equals to PQ, BC equals to QR and AC equals to PR. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR from SSS प्रॉपर्टी, साइड प्रॉपर्टी से कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए दोनों. ओके, and if it is a congruent then their corresponding angle is also equal. Angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R. This is the corresponding. It is depend on the sequence. If the sequence is wrong then question is also wrong. Okay, sequence is a very important because we know that AB first two. AB equals to PQ, तो AB is corresponding to PQ, so first two PQ. BC last two, BC is corresponding to QR, तो here last two, so sequence is also important. Now next property, side angle side. Suppose ABC is a triangle and PQR is another triangle, then the two corresponding side are equal and उनके बीच का angle is also equal, तो congruent होंगे. Suppose AB equals to PQ given है हमको, एंड AC इक्वस टू PR गिवन है, एंड उनका बीच का एक एंगल A इक्वस टू एंगल P गिवन है. सो ट्राइंगल ABC कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल PQR फ्रॉम साइड एंगल साइड प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंगल इज बिटवीन दीज टू साइड, बिटवीन द साइड. अगर ऐसा हो जाता ये एंगल नहीं होता इक्वल, सपोज angle B equals to angle Q, then they are not a congruent. Okay, the condition for a congruency, two corresponding side equal and उनके बीच का angle is also equal, तो side angle side property से both are congruent. Now next property, angle side angle property. In that property, suppose triangle ABC and this is the another triangle PQR, तो टू एंगल और उनके बीच की एक साइड इक्वल होती है, तो ट्राइंगल ABC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल PQR. सपोज गिवन है एंगल A इक्वल्स टू एंगल P, एंगल B इक्वल्स टू एंगल Q एंड AB इक्वल्स टू PQ गिवन है. सपोज दिस इज गिवन दैट एंगल BEC इक्वल्स टू एंगल QPR, it is given. Okay, next angle CBA equals to angle RQP given है, एंड उनके बीच की साइड AB equals to PQ. अगर ऐसा होता है तो then triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR from angle side angle property. Okay, next RHS property. Now SSS means side property, SAS means side angle side property, ASA equals to angle side angle property. Now RHS, तो RHS property right angle, hypotenuse and any another side. ये प्रॉपर्टी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल पे लगती है. ठीक है, सपोज इट इज़ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ABC and it is the another right angle triangle PQR. So this is a 90-degree angle because it is a right angle triangle. तो RHS property right angle. H means hypotenuse, तो hypotenuse equals to hypotenuse. H for hypotenuse, R for right angle and S for any another side. Suppose BC is equals to QR. This is given, so it is given AC equals to PC, not PC, PQR. AC equals to PR, hypotenuse equals to hypotenuse, angle 90, angle ABC equals to angle PQR 90-degree and BC equals to QR. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by RHS property. Okay, in place of BC equals to QR ये भी हो सकता था AB equals to PQ, because ये है right angle, फिक्स है right angle. Hypotenuse is also fixed because 90 के opposite side is a hypotenuse. तो right angle fixed, hypotenuse fixed, but side is not fixed, any another side. Okay, then this is the RHS property and we can solve easily this type of equation. Okay.